I am grounded. I am resilient. This supposed to be the mantra for today. And we are trying to use our visualization to stay resilient. So let's start with a quick question. Have you ever practiced something in your mind before actually doing it? Maybe you rehearsed what you would say during a presentation, or imagined acing a tough test. Now that's visualization. And it's like a superpower we all have, but don't always use it. So, visualization is actually like a mental rehearsal, like athletes practicing victory in their minds before the real game. So, today we're actually going to learn how to use this amazing tool to bounce back when life gets tough. So, here's something cool about your brain. It is a hard time telling the difference between what's really happening and what you are vividly imagining. Isn't that wild? Let me show you what I mean. I request you to close your eyes for a second and imagine biting into a juicy, sour lemon. Try doing it. Close your eyes for a second and imagine biting into a juicy, sour lemon. The yellow skin, the tangy smell, the super sour juice hitting your tongue. Just imagine. Did your mouth start to water a little bit? See what happened. Your body reacted as if there was a real lemon, even though it was just in your imagination. So you can definitely open your eyes. So you have to see how your body is reacting, and this same power can help us become more resilient, and that's a fancy word for bouncing back when things get tough. So how do we use visualization when we are feeling down or facing something difficult? So that's the important question. So let me walk you through it with an example we can all relate to. Imagine you're having a terrible, horrible, no good, very bad day. You overslept, you forgot your work, spilled juice on your shirt, on your favorite shirt, and your best friend is mad at you for something you didn't even do. Now, instead of letting these problems crush your spirit, here's where visualization comes to your rescue. Number one, find this quiet spot and take 3 deep breaths. Number two, picture yourself handling each problem one by one. See yourself calmly explaining to your teacher about the homework. Imagine wearing your shirt with confidence, even with a juice stain, and visualize having a calm conversation with your friend to clear up the misunderstanding. And number three, now see yourself at the end of the day smiling because you handled everything so well. So, the more details you add to this mental movie, the sounds, feelings, even smells, the more powerful it becomes. You're basically giving your brain a practice run at success. Yes, it happens, and people do try it successfully. And did you know that almost every Olympic athlete uses visualization? Yes, Michael Phelps, if you would have heard of, one of the greatest all-time swimmer, who has more gold medals than anyone else in the Olympic history, would visualize his perfect race down to the smallest detail before he even touched water. And it's not just athletes. Walt Disney would visualize his theme park long before Disneyland was built. He could see the sights, hear the sounds, and feel the joy his park would bring to people. Even Sarah Blakely, who created Spanx and became a billionaire, visualized his success when everyone was telling her that her idea was silly. She pictured her products in stores and herself on TV shows talking about a business before any of it happened. And these weren't just daydreams, they were detailed mental rehearsals that helped these people stay resilient when facing challenges. So now it's your turn. Let's do a quick exercise together. So please, once again, close your eyes and think about something challenging you are facing right now. Think about it. Maybe some test coming up, a difficult conversation you need to have, or even if you are learning a new skill that seems hard for you. Think about it. The number two, create a mental movie of yourself handling this challenge beautifully. Like there are no obstacles, no hurdles. You are smoothly taking one step at a time and finally achieving all your results. Try seeing what is around you when you are actually handling that challenge. Observe, what are you wearing? Are you standing or you are sitting? Are you talking to somebody or talking to yourself? Imagine, visualize, and if everything is getting successful, how does that success feel in your body? Create that movie. Have that feeling of success. And now imagine if any obstacles that might come up and see yourself overcoming them with confidence and creativity. No obstacle is bigger for you. You are managing everything with joy, with firmness, with confidence, with clarity. And finally, picture yourself after you have succeeded. Feel that pride, feel that joy wash over you. Simply feel it like you've just accomplished it, you've just managed it. There should be a smile on your face, smile of satisfaction, smile of achievement. So, amazing job. Now, when you open your eyes, remember how that success felt. That feeling is your brain getting ready for the real thing. So please slowly open your eyes if you are done. And if anybody wants to share the experience, you can definitely raise your hand. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Let's move forward. Now, if you want to make this visualization a part of your daily life, so simply before getting out of bed, take 2 minutes to visualize your day going well. Simple. And before a challenging situation, find a quiet corner and quickly see yourself succeeding. And at night, visualize the day tomorrow being even better than today and practice it. It's like charging your mental batteries with positive energy. And let me share a quick personal example. So, when I was of your age, I was terrified of public speaking. And before every presentation, my heart would race, my hand would shake, and sometimes I would even feel sick to my stomach. I would feel I should be missing that presentation. I was so afraid. And then I learned about visualization. Every night before a presentation, I would spend 5 minutes seeing myself walking confidently to the front of the room, speaking clearly, making everyone laugh at my jokes, and answering questions with ease. I would feel the pride of doing a great job. Did I magically become perfect overnight? No way. But each time got easier. Each time I got better. The butterflies in my stomach started flying in formation, all because I had practiced success in my mind. So, it's something I want you to remember. Your imagination is the blueprint for your reality. What you consistently visualize, you tend to create. You can think about it like this, that resilience isn't about never falling down, it's about knowing you can get back every single time. Visualization gives you the practice run so that when you do face challenges, your mind says, I've been here before, I know what to do. So, as we finish today, I have three simple challenges for you. One, start small. Tonight before bed, spend just 2 minutes visualizing tomorrow going beautifully well. Number two, get specific. Choose one challenge you are facing and visualize handling it successfully every day for a week. Make it as detailed as possible. And number three, write it down. After each visualization, jot down what you saw yourself doing. This makes the experience even more powerful. And remember, visualization isn't magic, it's training. Just like exercising a muscle, the more you practice, the stronger your resilience becomes. So you already have everything you need to start right now. Your imagination is waiting to show you just how resilient you truly are. So, with that thought, thank you. Thank you for being here today. So, you can go out, not just face your challenges, but visualize your way through them with flying colors. So, thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today.